lecture I'm going to find the value of x. So x equal to root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6, that go to infinity, and x is the natural number. So let's see the answer. So here first writing given x equal to root 6, then after inside another root 6, inside there another root 6, inside there another root 6. So this go to infinity. So plus dot 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 infinity. So except this one, we can write in place of this x, except this one, first one. So now here x equal to root 6, except this one, in place of this all we can write x. Okay, so it's similar to x. So now you can get x equal to root 6 plus x. After that we need to remove the root. So for that, here writing is squaring both sides. So this here x square, this here 6 plus x whole square. After that, this is now x square, and this here 6 plus x. Next is I'm going to move this all into the left. So writing here x square minus x minus 6. So this is the form of quadratic equation. For that one, we need to multiply first term with the last terms. So here x square into minus 6, that is equal to minus 6x square. After that, minus x we can write. So minus x we can write minus 3x plus 2x. So if you subtract, it equal to minus x, and when you multiply 3x into 2x, it equal to minus 6x square. The condition is satisfied. So here we can write x square equal to minus 3x plus 2x, minus 6 equal to 0. From these twos, x is the common, take that x minus 3. Here 2 is the common, take that x minus 3 equal to 0. Now the next is x minus 3 is the common, and here x plus 2. So here x minus 3 equal to 0. Next is x plus 2 equal to 0. So here x equal to 3, x equal to minus 2. Now the next is, since x is the natural number, if that integer, then this is the answer. So here x is the natural number, so that x equal to 3 is our answer. So this is the way we can find the value of x. One time going to repeat, write the given root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6. Now except first one, we can write this place x. Okay, so x equal to root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 till infinity. So except first one, we can write this place root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 till infinity equal to x. After that, here you can get x plus root 6 plus x. Now do the squaring on the both side. Here x square root 6 plus x whole square. After that, root that removed by a square. Here you can get x square minus x minus x. Now the next is quadratic equation, and after doing the calculation, here you can get x equal to 3 and minus 2. Since x is natural number, so that x equal to 3 is the answer. So this is the way we can find the value of x. Here you can write x as natural number, so that x equal to 3. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.